Professor Kexnari adjusted her breathing apparatus as she watched the exchange students file into the xenobiology lab aboard the research station orbiting Earth. 23 species represented, all eager to study the mysterious humans and their infamous homeworld. What they were about to discover would challenge everything they thought they knew about habitability. Today, she announced through her translator, we begin practical observations of the human species in their natural environment. Zilthex, a crystalline being from the peaceful Andorian systems, raised a tentacled appendage. Professor, the safety protocols seem excessive. Surely the humans can't be as dangerous as the warnings suggest? The professor's 4 eyes dimmed with what her species displayed as amusement. Dangerous? No, dear student. The humans aren't dangerous. Their planet is. She activated the main viewing screen, displaying Earth in all its blue-white glory. What you're looking at is classified as a Class 12 Deathworld. Only 43 planets in the known galaxy receive this designation. Thana, an ethereal gas being from the outer rim, flickered with confusion. But Professor, it looks so beautiful. The atmospheric composition shows optimal oxygen levels, abundant water, moderate temperatures. Ah! Professor Kexnari's mandibles clicked with anticipation. Let's examine those optimal conditions more closely. The screen zoomed to show Earth's weather patterns. Massive spiral formations covered vast areas of the planet's surface. These are what humans casually call storms. Each one contains enough kinetic energy to power most civilized worlds for a full cycle. The humans have learned to predict them and simply wait them out. The Vortex student, encased in his environmental suit, emitted a skeptical grunt. Surely they seek shelter in underground facilities? Oh no, the professor replied cheerfully. They often go outside to watch them. They call it storm chasing and consider it recreational. A collective gasp rippled through the class. The display shifted to show towering mountain ranges. The planet's crust is highly unstable, constantly shifting due to active plate tectonics. These movements regularly produce what humans term earthquakes, violent shaking that can topple structures and reshape landscapes. And the humans flee to safer worlds when these occur? Asked the Metherian representative. They rebuild, often in the exact same location. Professor Kexnari paused for effect. Some humans actually seek out these unstable regions because they find the volcanic activity scenic. The students exchanged horrified glances as the professor continued. The planet also experiences regular bombardment from space debris. Thousands of objects enter the atmosphere daily, most burning up in spectacular displays that humans have romanticized in their culture as shooting stars. But the true revelation came when she displayed Earth's biological data. Now, let's examine the ecosystem that shaped these remarkable beings. The screen filled with images of Earth's fauna. This is what humans call a house cat. Adorable, they claim. It possesses retractable claws capable of inflicting serious wounds, enhanced night vision, and reflexes faster than most military-grade combat drones. Humans allow these predators to live in their homes and sleep in their beds. Young Pipsqueak, barely hatched from his shell pod, trembled visibly. They domesticate apex predators? That's just the beginning. The professor's excitement was palpable. This creature they call a dog has been selectively bred from pack-hunting carnivores. Humans have modified these predators to be companions, guardians, and even assistants to their disabled members. The display showed images of dogs performing various tasks. Some variants can detect seizures before they occur, others can guide the blind through dangerous terrain, and still others can locate survivors in collapsed structures. By the void, whispered the Zentorian delegate. They've turned their planet's killers into healers? Indeed. But perhaps most shocking of all, Professor Kexnari activated the final display. is how they've learned to thrive alongside their planet's most dangerous inhabitant, each other. The screen showed human cities, teeming with billions of individuals. Humans are persistent hunters, endurance predators capable of tracking prey across vast distances. They possess forward-facing eyes, indicating a predatory nature, and an omnivorous digestive system that allows them to consume nearly anything organic. Yet they've created civilizations where millions of these apex predators live peacefully together, sharing resources, creating art, and even caring for the weak and elderly who can no longer contribute to survival. Zilfex's crystal structure pulsed with disbelief. How is that possible? Professor Kexnari's 4 eyes focused on her students with newfound respect. Because surviving on a Deathworld doesn't just create strong bodies, it creates strong communities. When everything around you is trying to kill you, cooperation isn't just beneficial, it's essential. She gestured toward Earth with reverence. That beautiful blue world taught them that survival isn't about being the strongest individual. It's about being the strongest species. And that, dear students, is why humans don't just survive on their death world, they've learned to call it home. The class sat in stunned silence, looking at Earth with new eyes, finally understanding why the galaxy both feared and admired the species that had emerged from that beautiful, terrible world.